So, if you know me, I'm always the first to support my friends and family's business ventures or whatever dreams they have. Today, I am opening a package with a book written by a friend I went to college with. Look what came in the mail. So, the beginning of this book starts off with amazing gems like identifying what success looks like for you, finding out your purpose, watching out for dream killers, and so many other gems are in this book. I have learned so much already, and I can identify with quite a few of the topics on here, and I totally recommend this. So go grab your copy on Amazon. I'll drop the link below. And again, Dana, congrats on becoming an author.